Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to count the length of a list. A list can hold many things. In this list we have numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes we need to know how many numbers do we have? How many students are there in the class? How can we count these numbers ourselves? We can use a counter variable. We can assign the variable count 0. And because we started at 0, because we have not counted anything yet, we can write a code now for it. We can do for num in numbers, count equals count plus 1. And in alignment with the for loop, we print count. How does this code work? We visit each number one by one, and then we add 1 to the count each time. So the result is 4. This is how we manually count the length of a list. Because counting the length of a list is sometimes difficult, programmers do it all the time. So Python gives us a special built-in function called len to make it fast and easy. We can just do print len numbers and the result is also 4. Python also has other built-in math functions, such as min numbers, which can give us the minimum, max finds the largest item in a list, and we can do max numbers, and then we can do sum, and the maximum is 4, and then for sum it adds everything together. And then for sum, we can do sum numbers, which will give us the sum of the list, which is 10. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.